Okay guys, just broke down EURJPY. Now going to possibly take this into market. My reasoning behind it is quite simple. It's not necessarily a full-on day trade, so I've got to be a bit careful. But there is a +1 -1 setup, which is pretty good to the buy side. And it'd be okay for, I don't know, so 7 to 10 pips. So we're going to put an initial target in of 10 pips and see where we get. Okay, so let me just take a quick stab at this. Look what we're doing. So we're at a level here, which is a nice area of interest. Step this back one bit. We're going to be pulling against this candle here. So that's the idea of the up. So you can see it's gradually moving up. It's bouncing around the pivot point and it's coming down on this. So somewhere in this zone, between there and there, I'm looking to enter the trade. Pull this back so I can see how to time this. So if I'm looking for entry exits, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop a 50 on here, which is there. This will give me a good area to look at. The other one is here and here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an order here, and then I'm going to watch this and I'm going to see which one comes to trigger first. So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm looking for a 10 pip move. Okay, so just put that above. 10 pips into this equation. So we don't have to go far to get our trade. Now I want a quick slam. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow that down into this area here, and if we can get it down to here, even better. So that's what we're going to try and do. Okay, so that's our first entry. Further down we get, the better. Now if it goes under this level, sort of got a protection point there, there's a swing, I'm wrong when it gets down here somewhere. Okay, now the other part of it is I've got to figure out whether this is going to run or not. Well, we've got the euro gaining strength. We've got JPY losing strength. There's a reasonable separation, so I'm happy with that. And these are running in the opposite direction. So, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to target here. The lower I get it down, the bigger that target becomes. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. Okay guys, that's it. Job's done. Let's get the tickets off. So just only got the one position in, but it made 50 quid. So over the course of the last day or so, 223 quid. I'm quite happy with that. I can live with all of that malarkey. That's it. Just reset. Have another look in an hour's time and away we go. What this is just showing you what homework and preparation does. Now, I prepped all this, worked it all out. Bang. There you go. Trading ain't difficult if you know what you're looking for. If you're chasing the market, looking for X marks the spot, trying to run at it all the time, that's where it all falls down. But if you plan it and systematically go through it, it's always a winner. And that's why you keep your win rate high. Anyway, catch you all soon.